Welcome Madventurers to the first instalment of Cows Week 2018. Check out the Navionics map above for the route that I took round the south coast of the UK, Ipswich to Cows Week. Should have took 4 days, but due to weather, a little bit longer. Check it out, guys. It's getting a bit misty on the coast. There is due some lightning storms later today. I'm guessing, looking at that, probably a few hours yet, but we're getting there. I'm just hoping this guy's seen me now. Looks like he's heading at me. Fingers crossed he knows I'm stopped. He is literally heading for me. He's seen me. They're a bit worrying. Yeah, going back to that, look at this. Can't before the storm. If I'd stopped for 5 minutes, I'm shattered today. I think rest up tonight and have a good go at it tomorrow now, I think. I come down last night, got up this morning, try and prep the boat ready for the big adventure, Cows Week, yay! But I think I'll take it easy. I've got a few days yet, so no rush. It's a nice big boat. Everyone's jolly friendly out here. Now this is sailing. Sit back, relax and enjoy. It's got a nice enough breeze. Sail set up. Bob on. And she'll just tack herself then. Beautiful. Tweak it a little bit then. Spoke too soon, didn't I? Oh well. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. Off! Urgh! Damn you, camera! GoPro, turn off. They're great when they work, these GoPros, but GoPro, turn off. Here's how you read the shipping forecast. Humber, Thames and Dover. South or southwest. 4 increasing 5 to 7. Occasionally gale 8 except in Humber. That is your wind speeds. You've got to look at your Beaufort scale for the actual miles per hour. And then you've got slight or moderate becoming moderate or rough. That's the sea state on how bad it's going to be. If it's going to be rough or it's going to be nice for you, the wave heights. But that can be anything from flat calm to 4 or 5 metres in height of the wave. Then you've got squally thunderous showers, then fair. Now the next bit, good, occasionally poor at first. That's your line of sight. So if it's good, you can see for a good few miles. Occasionally poor, that means it's become slightly misty. We'll soon have you ready for sea, guys. I think I made a good choice. Look at this. Here comes the rain again. I'm sure there's some song about it. Oh, it's big drops as well. I'm going to get absolutely soaked before I get the anchor down. And I've managed to anchor up. Look at the state of this. I think the weather changed a little bit, don't you? Yeah, a bit wet, a bit windy. Fingers crossed, no lightning. direction there, that's the English Channel. That's where I should have been now. That's the direction that's coming from. Or the North Sea to be correct. That what you can see in the background as well, they're old barges. Hiya sir, I don't think I'm going to make it next couple of days. As you can see, the weather's really turned bad. I'm going to bunk up here for the next 24 hours, give it a chance to pass. But yeah, Gale Force 8, which is, it's up there, it's a proper one this. Yeah, my safe bet's just hang out here now, let it pass. Yeah, hopefully see you in the next couple of days. Might have to meet up in an evening, I think. But to everyone else, yeah, keep watching. Very interesting, this one. Speak to you all soon. Before you go guys, don't forget hit the subscribe button. Things can only get better. Yeah, I've prepped the boat ready to go. Morning David.